What's up, guys? It's your boy Butch from Imperial TV. Well, today or this evening we're gonna go have dinner, and then after dinner we're gonna go ahead and go to this new place called DECORUM. One of my friends that owns it just opened it up. He asked if I could come to his soft opening party. It's like, okay, I'll be there. So here I am. So let's go ahead and buckle up and welcome to Imperial TV. So this year's, I underestimated it. I was at Hennessy the other day, and they said, "Hey, well, is this vehicle tuned or any modifications?" I said, "Yeah, it's doing down pipes, done by me. It's about 750 horsepower." They're like, "Oh, really?" I was like, "Yeah." They're like, "Do you want to race?" It's like, it depends on what you want me to race. So they said, "Hey, why don't you just race our truck?" It's called the Mammoth. It's made by Dodge. It's a Dodge Ram truck, doing about 900 horsepower. I was like, "Sure, we can do it," but I'm gonna get smoked for sure, because compared my horsepower to your horsepower, there's no way I'll win. And yeah, sure, I was really scared. I was recording it. Senor Hookah was with me, and my guy from MSR, Gino from MSR. So we get on we get in the cars, we go to the runway, and we just take off. The first lap, I beat him, but it was in manual mode. It was like, "Hey, you know what? Let's go back. Let's redo." He's like, "Hey, yeah, let's redo," because his was also like it didn't work out, or it didn't do. I mean, I don't know. Like it didn't do much with him. He thought there was an issue with him, and I thought it was an issue with me. And then once we did another lap. Sorry, I'm just like looking and driving and talking. When we did the second lap, the second run, I put on auto, put on Corsa mode, and took off. And oh my God, I gapped it about a school or 2 school buses. That was awesome. So I will never underestimate this bad boy right here. It may be 750 horsepower, but it'll do the job right. Love it. Love Lamborghini. Work hard, play harder, drive harder, brake harder. Oh my God, this is awesome. Turn signal harder, just keep it on. Oh Lord have mercy. So on tonight's episode, I'll be going to this nightlife club, of course, with my friends, without my girl. Something happened and we just split, kind of like broke up, but it's all good terms. She's still my friend. I'm still her friend. She's good people. Here we are, you know, just living life. Back to the dating lifestyle. Back to the dating life, and, you know, back to the old Butch for sure. So with that said, I'll be going to Mexico hopefully next week to look at some properties. I want to look more into like real estate out of the U.S. I want to buy more properties, rent them out, Airbnb and stuff like that, especially like in Tulum, Playa, and Cancun. So that's the goal, is just to go ahead and invest. You have good credit, why not? Use it very wisely. So I'm going to be buying a few places, rent them out, or lease them for short term or long term, or, you know, Airbnb it, and then make some money. So that's what we're gonna do. Stock market, not for me, but real estate, it is for me. So here I am. I'm gonna go have a good time, check out the homes that I wanted to buy, and then just call it a day and buy. And that way I can hopefully, you know, in maybe 10-20 years from now, these places will be worth maybe double, triple, or maybe 4 times the amount that you're paying for them right now. Hopefully they'll be paid off in a few years, or 10 years, or more or less. And then I'll have an asset, which is good. With cars, it's hard to keep an asset. Why? Because you buy it. You buy this one for 300 grand. This particular one, I know right now at this moment, I'm not losing money. I can still sell it and get my money back. But it is the time to actually do something that will actually benefit you with your eyes open, instead of like, or with your eyes closed too. Because real estate, nothing can go wrong with real estate. Real estate is the way to go. So enough is enough with buying cars. Well, I say that right now. I know I'm buying another car. The STO, for example, it's coming. Shit. Anyways, well, after the STO, that'll be the last one.
Sure, yeah.
No, for real.
Sure.
The STO would be the last one. And I'm gonna get married eventually. Hopefully I'll find the right one and get married. And then just like live a family life. And then maybe just like balance myself from partying and going out too much. Maybe start cooking because I'm a good cook. And, you know, just live a good life, you know. Still want to do the body shop business. Still want to do...
We should make an Imperial cooking channel.
Yeah, we should make an Imperial cooking channel. So we Eats by Butch. Or Butch Eats.
Yum, yum.
Oh my god.
Mic on in the fire.
Cheers!
Oh my god! Oh my god! And when you go like this, like, but it like messes up your It didn't work too well.
Please don't do that.
It barely works. You see, I think I got it from there.
Cheers, everybody. Good night, though.
Mic on in the fire.
Checking out, and then we're gonna go to Gaucho's for a couple of drinks, and then we're gonna head to the club. And after that, I go home and sleep.
Mic on in the fire. Mic on in the fire.
Cheers to everybody's health. Cheers, single life.
Yes, cheers.
Mic on in the fire.
It's my friend.
Thank you.
They got me.
Mic on in the fire.
Living a best life. One day at a time. That's right.
Mic on in the fire.
Let's get down to business. Let's get down. Let's get down to business. Let's get down. Let's get down. Let's get down to business. Let's get down. Let's get down to business.
So we are here at DECORUM. As you see, the place is fucking there. And we're beautiful little
More nights gadgets. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't walk